Okay. All right. Now we're going to learn a new vocabulary, adjectives. Adjectives. So adjectives are called صفات. 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 Okay? So what we said earlier in previous lessons is that the feminine form, what do you add to a word to make it feminine? You add ta marbuta. And it could be this shape, or it could take this shape. And that's called ta marbuta. And we'll have a whole lesson about the feminine and masculine form. But for now, let's just get introduced to the adjectives. Okay. We'll do a few faces. Ready for that? Okay. What letter is this one? Fa. This one? R. And I'm putting sukun, so it is pronounced ra. How about this one? Ha. And alif. And then noon. Can somebody read it? Farhan. Mumtaz. Farhan. It means happy. Mumtaz. So if I'm going to say, that's a male saying I'm happy. Farhan. Farhan. Okay? Happy. If a female is saying happy, farhan na. You add ta marbuta. Farhana. 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 I'm testing my artistic skills. Okay. How about this one? Watch. What letter is this? Ha. How about this one? With a dot. Zain. Can somebody read this one? Ha. Hazin. 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 Meaning sad. Hazin. And for a girl, it's going to be, who can guess? Hazina. 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 What letter is this? It's this shape, yes? Ghain. Mumtaz. Ghain. And it's gha. How about this? Do. 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 So I'm putting sukoon. What letter is this one? Ba. And I'm putting fatha on top of it. And alif. Can somebody read this one? Ghad. Ghad. Ghadban. Ghadban. Angry. Ghadban. And for a girl? For a girl, غض. Can somebody say it? غض بان. غضبان. Alright? غضبان. 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 غضبان.
That middle letter is a dot, right?
Yeah, that's a dot. Same one. Dot, dot. غض. غضبان. غضبان. I'm going to try to say it. What letter is this one? Ta. What letter is this?
You.
Ah.
I.
Ain. How about this one? Be. Can somebody read this one? تعبان. Tired. تعبان. 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 Tired. And for a girl, Jamie?
تعبان.
ممتاز. Ta, upside down triangle. Always remember. Ta, ben. I'm going to make it. Ta, ben. Ta, ben. تعبان. تعبان. So in order to say I am happy, we have to learn how to say I am. First we're going to learn how to say I, you male. If you're talking to a male, you address him as enta. Remember, what's your name and you? You takes the gender of the person you're talking to. Unlike English, you would use you for both, male and female. You for female, he and she. So we're going to say, Anna, I. Anna, Anna, Anna. You, أنت, 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 أنا, أنت. You female, أنتِ, أنتِ. هو and هي, she. Okay? أنا, أنت, أنتِ, هو, هي. أنا, أنت, أنتِ, هو, هي. So if I'm going to use it in a sentence, how can I do that? If I'm going to say I am happy, ممتاز ممتاز. أنا فرحانة, or أنا فرحان. I am happy. In English, you have verb to be, right? In Arabic, there is no reference to the verb to be at all. It is embedded. It is part of the sentence. As soon as you say I and you say adjective, it automatically translates to I am happy in English. Okay? So there's no reference for verb to be in Arabic. أنا فرحانة. أنا فرحانة. All right. أنت. Can somebody give me and use any adjective with أنت? أنت. يلا. أنت. يلا شباب. And are you going to use this feminine form or masculine form? Masculine. So pick any adjective. أنت تعبان. صحيح. You're tired. أنت تعبان. أنت تعبان. أنتِ. 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 يلا يلا. أنتِ. Which one you're going to use? The second line. Second line. So pick anyone. أنتِ فرحانة, حزينة, غضبانة. Yes? غضبانة? Okay. You're angry. أنتِ غضبانة. هو حزين. He's sad. هو حزين. And هي فرحانة. Use feminine form. Okay? أنا أنت أنا أنت أنتِ هو هي أنا فرحانة or أنا فرحان. Because in Arabic, the person speaking does not change the gender of the adjective. Okay? I can say أنا فرحانة because I'm a female talking. I'm sorry, if I'm talking أنا فرحانة, then it changes. أنا فرحانة, أنا فرحان if you're talking. Okay? أنا فرحان. But أنت identifies it. أنت فرحان. أنت identifies the gender. أنت. أنتِ identifies the gender female. أنا does not identify the gender. That's what I meant earlier. But the person who's speaking tells you by using the adjective that refers to him. Okay? Or her. أنا, أنت, أنتِ, هو, هي. Only أنت, أنتِ is different than English, but the rest is similar. Right? So, أنا, أنت, أنتِ, هو, هي. Alright? أنا فرحان, أنت فرحان. هو فرحان, هي فرحانة. ممتاز. So that'll be all for the adjectives.